Hello guys, it's that time of the month again. So this is my monthly check-in. So I've actually already warmed up. I just did an average of 12 and I just actually did pretty good, so I actually got my fastest average of 12 time ever. And I got a 20.2 seconds, which is, wow, can't believe it. I think I've come a long way. Actually, yeah, I think I've come a long way, especially, from when I just started, like, seriously practicing 3 months ago. So this is my third monthly check-in. So, yeah. The fastest time I've ever gotten for this average of 20.2 seconds. This fastest single I've ever gotten was like 14 seconds, I believe. I'll put my best times on the screen here and you guys can take a look. So my best single during the time I was practicing and my best average, which is the time you guys are seeing on the screen right now. But yeah. Let me tell you a bit about the last time I recorded a video like this. For my monthly check-in, I got a 20.90 average of 12, which is pretty good. So yeah, I guess it's like a 0.7 improvement. Yeah, the way I've been practicing is just at least try to get an average of 12 in every day. And yeah, I've actually been practicing a lot. Not a lot, but when I do practice, sometimes I might do actually close to 100 solves, especially during the weekends, when I'm more free. Yeah, some days I'm definitely doing more than 12 solves. So yeah, and my practice method is basically just doing time solves, because for me, for some reason, I just feel like doing slow solves can be a bit boring at times, so I do time solves for the majority of my practice, and I rarely do slow solves. Sometimes I might practice, doing a cross like slowly and trying to figure out new techniques intuitively, but other than that, my practice method, just try to get at least 12 solves in each day, timed. And yeah, if I feel like it, I'll practice more. But yeah, my fingers are already warmed up. As you can see from the screen, this is the average of 12 that I just did, like literally minutes ago. So hopefully, maybe I can improve on this time as well from this 20.2 seconds, and hopefully get a sub-20 average of 12. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay. Alright, I probably won't do any talking, just so I can focus completely on the solves. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay, one thing I would like to add too is that I think just being very fluid and just transitioning from cross to F2L, then OLL to PLL is also very important, because yeah, try to do that without pausing and you will see your times improve by a lot. I think it's better than just turning super fast and then pausing when transitioning from like cross to F2L, then OLL to PLL. That's just my opinion. It just feels way more easier to get fast times when you transition smoothly. So That's one thing that I've been trying to do, is just try to transition as smoothly as possible. Honestly, it's getting a little hot in here. I turned off the AC because I thought, the noise might affect me talking and the audio. So, but I think I'm just gonna turn it off because I actually think the heat is actually affecting my performance a little. So, hope you guys don't mind the white noise from the AC. Is that a +2? I would have to, I'll just put +2 for now, and then yeah, I'll rewind back to see if that solve would actually affect my average of 12. Okay, so yep, it's pretty close to a sub 19 average of 12. I'm pretty happy with my performance because usually during practice I would average like 22 seconds, 23 seconds, like that. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with my performance. Usually when I get like serious, like maybe like during a competition or when I record myself, I don't know, I just get into the zone, and yeah, my fingers just move very smoothly. So yeah, I definitely do better like when better than when I am practicing. But yeah, other than that, this time average of 12 of 20.58 seconds I'm really satisfied with. I don't think it if I change the +2 that I have here will do anything. Let's just see if it will. Wait, actually, yeah, it really won't affect my average of 12. It's still not sub 19, which is my goal. So yeah, just gotta keep practicing, and yeah, hopefully next month I'll get sub 20 average of 12. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next videos. Bye bye, guys.